All right, we are done with the knives, but we are not done with the items on the table because we still have this new folding saw to talk about. This is the Woxna Halsing button lock folding saw, and these are pretty nice. I'm digging this. This one is the 7-inch version. It comes in at $194.95, and it is an excellent choice if you're shopping for either a backpack saw to take while you're camping, or just around the house taking care of the shrubberies type saw. A couple things about this saw I think set it apart from the competition. First, you've got the button lock, which, important to me at least, it locks the saw closed. So if this is going to be your travel backpack bushcraft saw, it's much appreciated to keep the blade locked closed in your pack while you're rumbling around. I've been getting more into like motorcycle camping lately, so having tools that lock closed is very important to me because, should I have a little tip over or something, a bunch of force gets, suddenly injected into my luggage. I don't want things flying open and sharp blades slinging everywhere. So that's an excellent feature for you bushcrafters and campers. The handle is also very nice. It's wooden, it's contoured, bit of shapeliness to it. You could two-hand it if you like, but it's gonna feel comfortable when you're working. And then for the blade, it's an excellent wood saw. It's thinner at the spine than at the teeth, so you're not gonna have the blade binding up at all. The teeth are very sharp and very pointy. And I'm not gonna test this one on wood because then we'd have to take it out of stock, but I am absolutely certain that this would rip through whatever you were gonna, put it up against.
Wood rip wood.
Wood rip wood. Of that, we can be sure. So these are available with walnut wood handles, as you see here. You can get a longer 10-inch blade. You can also get it with oak wood handles and a black oxide finished blade. Pretty nice looking kit that is gonna feel right at home in your bushcraft essentials.